First, we'll open the trunk. On the edge of the tail light right there is a cover, and notice there is one spot right there at the bottom and one spot right there at the top. We will use a plastic trim remover tool like this, and we'll punch in the tool into those two spots to take the plastic cover out. While taking it out, I found this plastic cover a little fragile, so just be a little careful while pulling it out, making sure you do not end up breaking it. There you see that plastic cover taken out. Behind the plastic cover there are two screws, and we will be taking them out using a Phillips screwdriver one by one. With both screws taken out, now I will punch in my fingers on top of the tail light, then gently pull the tail light outwards. Just like that, you would notice the tail light popping out. Behind the tail light right there is the plug for brake light bulb. Grab the plug and then turn it counterclockwise and then pull the plug outwards. Now to take out the bulb, all we have to do is just press and hold the bulb downwards. Then while holding the bulb down, we will just turn the bulb anti-clockwise and then pull the bulb outwards. Just like that, the bulb is taken out. Now suppose you have a new bulb and you want to install it back. Make sure that the pointers coming out from the corner of the bulb, it matches with the position of the plug right there. So we will go ahead and punch in the bulb inside. Make sure you press the bulb all the way down. Once the bulb is all the way in, only then we will turn the bulb clockwise to install it firm and strong. Just like that, the bulb is in and it's not coming out anymore. Now we will go ahead and punch in the plug back where we took it out from. We make sure that the plug is completely in. You may have to wiggle a little bit until it goes completely in. Once the plug is all the way in, only then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. Just like that, that one is installed. Now we will replace the turn signal bulb which is right there. Again, we grab the plug and then turn it counterclockwise, pull the plug outwards. Then same process applies here as well. Press the bulb down, turn it anti-clockwise and then pull it out. Again, if you have a new bulb, make sure the edges of the bulb matches with the position of the plug right there. We'll go ahead and punch in the bulb all the way down, then turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong, and notice it's not coming out anymore. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the plug back where we took it out from. Make sure the plug is completely in first. Only then we will turn the plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. Just like that, and it is not coming out anymore. Now we will go ahead and punch in the tail light back. Before installing the tail light, behind the tail light there is that spot right there. This has to be slided in that bracket right here. And notice right here is a pointer coming out. This pointer is supposed to be installed in that position right there. On the top side, notice there is one more pointer that also has to go in that hole on the top right there. We'll carefully punch in the tail light back, keeping in mind those positions. We'll make sure the tail light is sitting in there properly, and once we make sure it is sitting properly, only then we will give it a slight push from the front. Now it's time to punch in both the screws one by one using Phillips screwdriver. Once both the screws are tight, then we will go ahead and punch in that plastic cover back. Behind the plastic cover, notice there are two tabs right here, and these two tabs are supposed to go into these two positions right there that you could see. We'll go ahead and punch in the plastic cover, keeping in mind those two positions. Once the cover is in, then we will give it a push from the corners. Also pushing it from the bottom side. It seems like the cover is installed firm and strong. With that, we are done with the replacement of tail light bulbs. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.